Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a stream on external or internal named stage and how to consume the data from stream. Here we don't have any slides, so let's directly jump into demo. So how to create a stream on an external or internal named stage and how to consume data from stream. So let me first set the context for the current SQL worksheet. So this is the worksheet. We have two types of worksheet basically. One is the SQL, and another one is the Python based. So I'm using the account admin role and computer underscore WH warehouse, and I'm going to create the database, create or replace database DemoDB, database name database DemoDB successfully created. This one, I mean, no need to execute explicitly, but okay, for sake I'm going to execute the any one of the command. Okay, both are same. Use schema name, or use schema database name dot schema. So I'm going to use the public schema to create the external stages and streams. Okay, so here create an external stage. So create or replace stage name and URL equal to S3 path and file format equal to type CSV. So here I'm using the S3 public bucket, so we no need to mention the integration or credentials to create the external stage. So stage area S3 underscore public underscore stage successfully created. Now list this bucket. So we have 450 files are present in this bucket. Okay, so now I'm going to execute some other conditions, like here I am trying to execute the select star from directory of at the rate stage name. So I'm getting this error, directory not enabled for stage name. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to create this stream. So create or replace stream name on stage, whatever you have created external stage, by using the public S3 bucket. So let me create this. So here also we got the same error, directory not enabled for the stage. Then how to enable the directory while creating the stage? So let's recreate the external stage using, I mean, directory option. So create or replace stage name, URL, file format, and directory is equal to enable true and auto refresh is equal true. So this is the syntax to enable the directory. Okay, so please note that to create a stream on the external stage or internal stage, we need to create the stage with directory. That means we have to enable the directory. Okay, you can alter also. If you do, you already created a stage without a directory enabled, then you can alter that stage. So now stage has been created. Again I will list the files. Okay, now this time, okay, instead of list, we can use this stage as a table by using the directory keyword. Okay, so if you see here, I can query this data. I can put the order by any column name, last modified date, like that, so that we can execute, we can use this stage as a table while enabling directory option. So now I am going to create the stream on this one. Create or replace stream, my stream on stage public stage. Okay, so let's see this time are you able to create. Okay, yeah, stream successfully created. Now let me extract the data from the stream. Please note that we don't have any data from the stream, because after creating this stream, if you place any file in the S3 bucket, we can get the data. So here I don't have control. This is the public bucket, so I'm not going to place any files on this one. So let's see using the internal stage. Okay, so here create an stream on the internal named stage. So create or replace stage name, directory equal to true, auto refresh is equal to true. Please note that while creating external stage, I used the auto underscore replace is equal to true, and we didn't get any error. So for internal stage, internal named stage, if you try to create a stage with auto underscore refresh is equal to true, we got the error, invalid property auto refresh for internal stage, auto refresh not supported. Okay, this one. Now let me create stage without any directory option. Yeah, we can create, as I mentioned that if you create a stage with the directory, then only we can access by using the stage like table. Okay, now I'm going to create stream on this stage. Here also we got the same error like external stage what we got. So now I'm going to create a replace stage name directory equal to enable true, auto refresh is equal to false. So yeah, this time stage area my stage successfully created. Now let's see list. Okay, we don't have any files, and then here we have, even if you execute the query from this stage by using the directory, we don't have any data. Now I'm going to create a stream created. Okay, I'm going to select start from. Okay, so no files. If you see describe stream name here. Okay, so my stage source type is this stage, because we can create a stream on table, external table. Okay, dynamic table, like that we have a many options to get a stream. So here I have created a stream on stage, that's why source type as stage, and base table will become as a stage, your stage name or stage name. Okay, so type delta mode default. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, for example, let me drop this stage or let me recreate the stage. Okay, here again I am going back and recreating the stage. Okay, so I have recreated stage. Now I am not going to recreate this stream. Now I am trying to execute the select statement from the stream. Okay, so what is going to happen, see, base stage my stage drop cannot read from stream my stream in line 1 position 14. So that means when you drop or recreate the any object which was used in stream, okay, you need to create after recreating your base object. So now I'm going to, I have to have recreate the stream again. Okay, this is the one we need to remember. Okay, so now, okay, this is valid. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the one file in this stage, internal named stage, and I'm trying to load that into table by using the copy command. So for that I am going to create the one table with 4 columns. Here username, identifier, first name, last name. Okay, so 4, and also I will create the file format CSV, because I am planning to load the CSV file. So skip header is equal to 1. In my file I have a header information also, and I'm trying to I mean how I'm going to load the data by using the task, and we already created the stream. So how we are going to consume the data from the stream, I will. So before that, what I can do, let me load the 1 or 2 files into internal stage. Here this is the database name and public. Let me refresh. Just now we have created all the objects. So okay, once you, okay, here file format stages. So here my stage, and let me upload one file, downloads. Here, okay, one file I have uploaded. Okay, yeah, upload. So here, yeah, so here we couldn't see the file name because in this session Here we didn't use the, I mean, compute variable was not is okay in use. That's why after start using the computer warehouse, then we can see the file which we have uploaded just now. Now I'm going back to previous session screen. So okay, here let's see, stream. Okay, I'm going to execute the retrieve the data from the from stream. Okay, we have one file. Okay, this is the file which we, I mean, username one.csv. uh, okay, uploaded this file into stage. Okay, and see metadata action insert. Okay, so these are the, I mean, when you create this create a stream, any stream, so these are the three columns automatically create. Okay, apart from whatever that columns are present from table or here stage. Okay, for stage these are the columns available, and extra columns, these metadata dollar action, metadata update, and metadata row id. These are the three columns automatically create create when the moment when you create a uh, stream. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a task. Okay, task with the condition. Okay, where condition, so this task is going to run every 1 minute based on the condition system stream. Okay, system dollar stream has data. So this stream which we have created, if the stream has data, then what is going to be performed, the action is copy into table name, copy into table name from stage. Okay, file format equal public.ff underscore csv, this command. Okay, so when the stream has data, then only copy command will be executing. Okay, it will be executing. So even though your task is scheduled at every 1 minute, if you don't have any data from the stream, this copy command will never execute. So now let me execute the task. The task has been created. Now I'm going to describe the task. I want to show you something here. So describe task name. If you see here task, okay, here state is the one of the important column, suspended. The moment when you create a task, the default state is suspended. If you want to schedule, then you have to resume by using the alter task name resume. Okay, so here after resuming, okay, now what is going to be happen, let's see here task, and again so scheduled, and state is the started. Okay, now uh, what I'm going to do here, I mean, is the task has been executed or not from the account. Okay, we have a task history table from snowflake database. Dot account usage is the schema. This here I think we don't see any rows from this table, because to refresh this table there is a latency between 1 to 3 hours. So a task history from the account usage, no, no, okay, we have a another table function here, task history table function. So here we can see all the tasks. Okay, earlier I have created multiple tasks, that's why we see this one. So what I am going to do, this one is task has been executed or not for the last 1 hour. Okay, for our task which has been created just now. So this task, okay, I think it is succeeded. See, state is the succeeded. We'll see schedule, succeed, in progress, like that we have a different states would be here. Okay, now our uh, task has been completed. Okay, without any issue. What command has been executed, this is the command executed, query text. Okay, and then completed successfully, and next run has been scheduled after 1 minute. Okay, let's see what is the do you have any data from the user. Okay, user names table. See, here we have a data. Now what I'm going to do, let's see what what happened to our stream. Okay, so stream is here. Okay, where is the stream? Yeah, stream. So let me execute the, okay, stream here. Okay, So we have two rows in the file. So two rows has been inserted. So here okay, this one false, and we still have a data in from. Okay, now we'll wait 2 more minutes and see the next run. Yeah, next run also is completed. Okay, so this time, okay, it's just executed as per the schedule every 1 minute. Now see, if copy command executed for the second run, then we would see 4 rows from this table. Okay, so even executed because 2 rows only, new file is not loaded. Okay, I mean second time, even though the task has been executed, but data is not loaded by using copy command. Now what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to create the another table called usernames 2 with some extra columns like insert underscore ts and file name and file row number. Okay, so let me create this one, and let me query the data from the file which is available in the internal named stage. So to query the data, you can use the $1 to retrieve $1 $2 notation from the file. Okay, and also as I mentioned that querying the metadata for staged files. Metadata means for stage related we have a five metadata columns. One is the metadata $file name, metadata $file row number, file content key, file last modified, start, scan time. These are the 5 metadata columns. I'm not going to explain okay, in detail here how we are going to query metadata from the staged files. Staged files means this is the my stage. Okay, along with the data here. Okay, so okay, two columns, two rows are there in the file. That's why you have, and first row file row number, and here see file name is the same but row number is 1 and 2. Okay, so let me open the file. Okay, here we download. Okay, here file 1, open. See here we have two rows. Okay, one is the header, first row is the header, another two are the records. So you see here, and current row checksum, and a file last modified date, and this is the scan time. Okay, so these are the metadata for staged files. Okay, now if you want to only query data, okay, without these metadata, just $1 $2. Okay, please note that here we have 4 columns. Okay, what if I use the some other like $10? Okay, here instead of typo mistakes, for example, instead of 4, I kept the wantedly 14. Now we will see what is going to happen in this case. Here we got the last name as the null, and $10 value is null. Please note that we are not going to get any error while retrieving the data, querying the data from the staged file with a dollar notation. If column is not available, then this query is going to return null. Here 14 column is not available, 10th column is not available. That's why we got the null value instead of error. We don't get any error even though if you specify any number, okay, along with dollar. Okay, so now let me change to back. So I am commenting this one. If you do this one, then we have 4 columns. Okay, we got the data for 4 columns. Now I'm going to upload another file. Okay, here browse you to, okay, open, upload. Okay, two files I have uploaded. Okay, now let me go back to here. Okay, I'm going to create the another task. Okay, copying data into table from staged file using conditional task. So I'm going to now this time I'm using the metadata because our table is having 7 columns, 4 columns from four columns values is going to be load from file, and the other 3 columns values will be loading from metadata values. So here I am going to create a task, and not sure whether I created a task over here. Okay, so I have created, and then task has been created. Now this time same. Okay, here we can say metadata. Okay, so we can metadata along with 2 files. See here, file 1 and file 2. So file 1 also 2 records, and file 2 also 2 records. So here name is same here, 1 and 2, but here name is different for this one, 1 and 2. How many records are there? That means it will start from 1, and what is the maximum record? That would be the here same. Okay, as I mentioned that here we are not going to get any error if you don't, I mean if you specify the position along with the dollar which is not available from that file. Okay, so even if you specify the twice, so $1 here beginning and end I specified, so same value is appeared here. Okay, from the select statement. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to use the same stream here. Okay, same stream. So okay, now this one I have mentioned 2 minutes. Okay, and current status for this task is the suspended mode. So okay, DSC task 2. Okay, suspended. Now let's see what is the data from the stream. Here we have 2. Okay, so 2 are inserted. See, when we are going to, please notice one, I mean okay, one thing here. When you use the stream as part of your task definition, okay, with the when condition, data is going to read, but okay, still these 2 rows are appeared. Okay, this, that means it is not consumed properly. If you want to consume, we have to insert the data into some other table, that I will show you. Okay, now okay, I am going to alter the task. Okay, alter task, okay, resume. So after resuming the task, we have to wait 2 minutes to load the data into new table called the usernames 2. Okay, so task, what is the state? I just want to make sure that state should be started. Yeah, okay, so if you want to see the whether that has been run or not. Okay, running. Okay, so if you can get the status of your task by using the task history table function. Okay, which is available information schema from your current database. So this is the, okay, if you see any null, that means okay, it is scheduled. Okay, once completed, then here you will see the query id. Okay, after that, once it is completed, another row will be inserted here. Okay, so in the task history, so let me see, because we have to wait 2 minutes, correct? We have scheduled 2 minutes. Prior to that, let me see what is the data. Okay, in usernames 2 table. Okay. So now user 1, our task we didn't suspend. Okay, okay, usernames 1, we don't have any table like that. Let me user table usernames. Okay, still we have 2 records. Okay, that is fine. Now what I'm going to do, now let me execute once again task history. So still 2 minutes not completed. Okay, and this one. Okay, this is the stream. What I'm going to do here, data is there from stream. Okay, so 2 files are there. Now username, still data is not yet loaded. Okay, so we'll wait. Okay, we'll wait 1 more minute. Yeah, so task ran. Okay, we'll see the what is the status. So once task is ran, here we see query id. Okay, this task is yet to run, that's why query id is null. So once, okay, this is the copy command. Okay, and yeah, task state is succeeded, that means there is no error. Okay, now let's see data from usernames 2. This time we have loaded data as well as few metadata columns along with some insert ts. Insert ts, that is the default here. If you see current timestamp, and these are the two metadata columns from the staged file. Okay, total, if you see here, there is a one null row in the, okay, in the file. That's why we got the all nulls and other. Okay, so here let me open the second file. Open username 2. Yeah, see, this is the one extra row. That's why we have all null values. And for other columns we have a insert ts, file name and file row number. Okay, so data has been loaded into table using this. Okay, here I written copy command with different. So copy into these are the column names from, this is the query. Okay, how I mean the same query I used to query the data from the staged files. Okay, so here in generally why we need to write like this, if you want to automate, okay, this copy command structure, okay, by using the stored procedure, that automation means how many columns are present from the table. Okay, same command can be used for another table. Okay, here okay, so in that case we can use the $1 $2, like that, how many columns are there, that many syntax would be generate like that based on the number of columns present in the this table. Okay, so that's why we can use the this way to overcome or to automate the copy command, one single copy command for multiple tables. And here we need to specify the what is the file file name as well. Okay, if you are going to use the same copy command for multiple tables, here I am using only this copy command for this table, that's why I didn't mention anything. Okay, now let's see what is the data from stream. Okay, we still have two rows. That means even though we this condition has been satisfied, okay, stream has data, okay, satisfied, but data not yet consumed from stream. How we are going to consume the stream? We have to create table public dot okay, consume from stream as select star from stream. Okay, here let me puv, yeah. So now let me create this table. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, table created. Now I am going to retrieve the data from the table which just now created. Sorry, here I need to, okay, we have two rows inserted because we have taken the same structure. So now let me see the data from stream. Okay, see, stream has become empty. Now I am going to upload one more file and then we'll see file 3, open, upload. File has been uploaded, and now I'm going to here and stream. Okay, so we have created two tasks and has been scheduled, so that that data, the file which we have just now uploaded, file 3, that data will be loading to these two tables, usernames and usernames two table, we have two tasks, my task 1 and my task 2. So that yeah, that's all from this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. See you until next time.